Hi friends, my name is Madhavi, studying ninth grade in Biram Sridhar Reddy International School. Today my topic is about importance of English. In today's competitive world, importance of English can be ignored. English is one of the most spoken language in the world. Nowadays, English has become the language of education in many countries. In India itself, we have numerous English medium schools. It became convenient for a student to get higher education from Western countries if he already knows English. People from different parts of the world having different languages as their mother tongues are able to communicate easily with knowledge of English. Today's English has also become important to make a good career. May multinational companies prefer jobs aspirants who have a good knowledge of English. Most documentation works done in offices is also in English language. Good knowledge of English language also helps many candidates to seek employment outside India. English literature is very rich and diverse. So, with the knowledge of English, we have access to many literary masterpieces. Even the internet has more than half of the websites made in English language. So, English helps in gaining a vast knowledge through the medium of internet. Learning of foreign languages helps in developing our personality to learning English will give us most of the benefits of learning a foreign language. In this age of globalization, the whole world seems like a platform where mode of communication is English. We can share our ideas and communicate easily with English. With English, we can express our views to more number of people across the globe. It also helps tourists who visit a different country because many of them people all over the world know English. Tourists can communicate with local people in English language. Thanks for giving this golden opportunity.